Today we're going to teach you how to write a simple program in the high-level programming language Java. We will show you all the steps required to get a simple program working from installation to compilation. The first step, download Java SDK. This is Java's software development kit, and it imports all the basic available libraries Java gives out. This includes simple functions as add, printline, scan, and things of that nature. It can be found at www.oracle.com. The next step is going to be to download an IDE. This stands for Integrated Development Environments. These are interface programs that allow you to write your code in, and it can then be used to debug and compile the code. There are multiple types of IDEs available, and we will be using JGrasp. You can find it at www.jgrasp.org.
Go.
Now that we have everything installed, we're going to open up JGrasp on your desktop or your Start menu. Okay, then we're going to go to File, New, and then Java. And for our first line, we're going to type in public class and then blank. And in the blank, we're going to put in the desired name of our program. If you want your program to be called baseball, you'll just say public class baseball, and then you'll save the program as baseball.java. We are going to be calling our program simple program. So we're going to save it as simpleprogram.java. Okay. Now the reason that public and class are highlighted in purple is because they're identifiers. Identifiers are special pre-programmed words by the Java library, which was downloaded when we got the Java SDK. There's a handful of identifiers, which would take too long to go into detail about all of them. We then use brackets to separate our line of code. The way you separate the code with the white space doesn't matter. The computer reads it all the same. The way we do it is just so it's easier to read. Next, write public static void main. In left parentheses, we're going to write string, left bracket, right bracket, a space, and then args, and right parentheses. This line does not change. It's the basic start of all programs. It then is again separated from the rest of the program by brackets. Next is where we're free to be creative. You can here declare variables, create functions, and like our program, print messages. The way you print line in Java is typing system.out.println, a left parentheses, And then in quotation marks, you're going to put whatever message it is you want to come out from the program. And in this case, we're going to put hello world. You're going to end that with a right parentheses and a semicolon. We then end every bracket we opened up. Notice the capital S and the semicolon at the end of the line. The capital S signifies the importance of the punctuation, and the program will not run unless it is a capital S. The semicolon marks the end of the line and is universal regardless of what you write. Okay, once that's finished, it's time to compile it. Compiling code is when the computer reads your code to see if its syntax is correct. On the computer side, this is when the computer takes the high-level programming language into machine code, which translates that into binary code. If everything turns out right, it should print out the message at the bottom of the screen.